Hello students, myself Divya Jog and welcome to Credence Digital Learning. So in previous videos we have studied the allotropes of carbon compounds and also their physical properties. Now in today's video we are going to discuss some of the chemical properties of carbon compounds. So the first chemical property is of combustion reaction. So the burning of carbon compound in air to form carbon dioxide, water, heat and light is called combustion. So all of us in our houses we use LPG. LPG में carbon compound present होता है which is mostly butane. Butane क्या करता है when it reacts with the air, so in the presence of air it gives carbon dioxide and water vapor which in turns are used to generate the heat which is being used up for the cooking of food. अब कंबशन में ही दो टाइप के कंबशन होते हैं विच इज कंप्लीट कंबशन एंड इनकम्प्लीट कंबशन. व्हेन यू सी एलपीजी गैस टर्न ऑन, अगर आपको ब्लू फ्लेम दिखाई देती है दैट मीन्स दैट फ्लेम डज नॉट जनरेट एनी काइंड ऑफ स्मोक. तो वो होता है कंप्लीट कंबशन विच इज बीन इन द प्रेजेंस ऑफ प्योर ऑक्सीजन. लेकिन अगर आपको कहीं पर भी येलो फ्लेम दिखाई देती है विच गिव्स और विच जनरेट्स ब्लैक स्मोक, दैट इज इनकम्प्लीट कंबशन वेयर द ऑक्सीजन, जहां पर ऑक्सीजन का प्रेजेंस इनकम्प्लीट रहता है. For example, in candle you may see the yellow light is being generated which also gives or generate the black smoke. So in case of LPGs, we have saturated hydrocarbons in which the percentage of carbon is very much less than the percentage of carbon present in any unsaturated hydrocarbons such as alkenes and alkynes. So oxygen present in the air is not sufficient to do or perform the complete oxidation in them to form carbon dioxide and water. So it will always give you the yellow flame and a sooty black smoke which is been seen in the burning candle. But if we burn these unsaturated hydrocarbons in the presence of pure oxygen, it will give us the blue flame and it will perform complete oxidation process. So the fuels such as coal and petroleum has some amount of nitrogen and sulfur present in them. So when the combustion process happens in these compounds, what happens? Some amount of nitrogen and sulfur oxides are formed which are being released into the atmosphere which causes pollution in the environment. So here we have discussed the combustion reaction. Next reaction we are going to discuss is about oxidation reaction.